Hello everyone, welcome to the Ramali Padai. Today we are going to solve a question from Unit 5 area and volume that was asked in SC 2080 at Lumbini Province, and the question says that as shown in the picture, 30 rings made of cement with internal diameter of 91 cm and height 30 cm each are placed to make a well. So 30 rings are used and each have internal diameter of 91 cm and height of 30 cm. Okay, 3 workers can build well in 7 days. Okay, that is fine. 7 days, 3 workers. The cost of one ring is Rs 900. Okay, 900 per ring, and daily wage per worker is Rs 1500. Okay, so these are given. So we have 30 rings with internal diameter of 91 cm and height of 30 cm each, and 3 workers are required to build a well in 7 days, and cost of one ring is 900 and daily wage per worker is 1500. So this is given to us. In A, how much does it how much does it cost to build a well? So we will find the cost of ring, the cost of wage, and then add it up to find the cost to build a well. Okay. In B, how many maximum liter of water can be stored in the well? So here they are giving us the ring size in centimeter and they are asking us in liters. So let me first clarify you that 1000 liter is equals to 1 meter cube and 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. Okay, so this is the conversion from meter cube to liter and centimeter cube to liter. So keep that in mind. We will use that in question number B. Okay. In C, if there is 4000 liter of water in the well, how many rings are completely under the water level? So we will just find it. Let us solve the question. Let us solve the question. I mean, you will see how we will solve this. So without any delay, let's start the solution. Given number of rings, small n is equals to 30, internal diameter small d is equals to 91 centimeter, height of ring, that is small h, is equals to 30 centimeter, and cost of a ring, cost of one ring, that is R1 is equals to Rs 900, and wage, that is R2 is equals to Rs 1500 per worker per day. So this is given to us, and it is also given that 3 workers can build the well in 7 days, which we will not write in the given section. Now moving on to A, how much does it cost to build a well? Find it. So here we will first find the cost of wage and then we will find the cost of the ring to find total cost required to build a well. So here wage for 3 workers for 7 days, which we will write as T1 is equals to Rs 900 times 3 times 7. It is because there are 3 workers doing work for 7 days at the rate of 900 per day per worker. Okay, so this will give us Rs 900 times 3 times 7, and that is equals to 18,900. 18,900. So this is about the wage for the worker, and we need to find the cost of ring. So cost of 30 rings that is T2 is equals to 30 times RS. Okay, I just messed it up. The cost of wage of worker is 1500, not 900. Okay, so 1500 times 3 times 7, 1500 times 3 times 7, that is goes 31,500. 31,500. This is about the wage for 3 workers for 7 days, and the cost of ring is 30 times RS 900, and that is equals to 900 times 30, 27,000 rupees. 27,000. Okay, so total cost required is equals to T1 plus T2, which is equals to RS 31,500 plus RS 27,000 is equals to RS 31,500 plus 27,000, 58,500. So 58,500. So RS 58,500 is required to build a well. So this is about the solution of A. Now moving on to B. How many maximum liter of water can be stored in the well? So it is asking us to find the volume of the well. So here volume of well, that is V, is equals to pi R square H. Here H is total height of the well, but we don't know the total height of the well, so we will multiply the number of ring used times the height of each ring. So is equals to pi R square times, so N is the number of rings times H is height of a ring, so it is that, and since H is equals to N times small h, and pi, so R is D by 2, so D by 2 square times N H, and we will write that since radius is equals to diameter times 2. Okay, so this is the formula. Now putting value, pi is 22 upon 7 times D, D is 91, so 91 upon 2 square times N is the number of rings, that is 30, times H is height of each ring, that is 30 centimeter. So this is 91 centimeter, this is 30 centimeter, so we are okay with that. Yeah, we are okay with that. Now multiplying this, we will get 22 times 91 times 91 times 900 divided by 7 times 4 is equals to 58, 55, 85, 0. 58, 55, 85, 0. Here we have used D and H in centimeter, so this will be centimeter cube. Now we know that 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter, so we know 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. So volume B is equals to 58, 55, 85, 0 upon 1000 liter is equals to 58, 55.8 5 liter. So this is the volume of the well. We will write that in language, but before that we will just save it because it is getting hang. Okay, so we will write it in language. So maximum how many maximum liters of water can be stored in the well? So maximum 5855.85 liter of water can be stored in the well. Okay, this is about the solution of B. Now moving on to C. If there is 4000 liter of water in the well, how many rings are completely under the water level? Find it. So if there is 4000 liter of water in well, that is volume B is equals to pi d by 2 square n h, or we have B is equals to 4000 liter is equals to pi d by 2 square n h. We have 1 liter is equals to, or 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So 4000 times 1000 centimeter cube is equals to pi d by 2 square n h. We have h, we have d, we will find n, that is number of rings that will be submerged. Or so we will solve it by 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 is equals to pi is 22 upon 7 times d is 91, so 91 upon 2 square times n is n and h is 30 centimeters. So we will solve this by separating n. So 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 7 by 22 times 30 is equals to 91 square by 2 square is equals to 4 times n, or n is equals to 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 7 times 4 upon 22 times 30 times 91 square, which is equals to, let me solve this, 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 7 times 4 divided by 22 times 30, 22 times 30 times 91 times 91, and that is equals to 20.49. so 20.49, which can be written as 20.5. so 20.5 rings are under the water. So completely under the water are 20. So 20 rings are completely under water when there is 4000 liter of water in the well. Okay, so this is about the solution of this question. If you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section down below. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.